Python Beginner's Guide, Episode 1. So first on screen is how to print Hello World. And so here's the output. So as you can see, it's printed Hello World. And now, here's how to make a variable. So it's on screen. Basically, every single Python project will need some variables. Then now you just need to press print with brackets but no speech marks, the variable name. So my variable's though is 2, so as you can see it's printed 2. And now is if/if-else statements. So I'm going to start this by defining a variable. So follow the code on screen. Just know that it's 2 equal signs. I accidentally put 1, so I had to change it later. Just remember to add the colon. So now, else statements. Again, this needs a colon. And also make sure it's at the start of the line, not at the same place as whatever statements you've put in the if. So the code you need to put down is on screen. So as you can see, it's going to print 2 because it is not equal to 56. So it's triggered the else statement, as you can see in a second. There it is. And now, user input. So you start it as if you're defining a variable, but then you type input and then in brackets, in speech marks, a question or enter whatever. I put enter a number in mine, and then since it's a variable, you just put print brackets, no speech marks, the name of the variable. So as you can see, it asks you to enter a number. Then as you can see, I entered 4, so it's printed 4.